The one bank that a lot of people forget about these days is the bank of mum and dad. I've seen a lot lately where a lot of first home purchases, mum and dad's also helping the clients out, whether it's in the form of gifts, being a guarantor. Bank of mum and dad is a more common thing these days. I'll give you an example. When I first bought my house, my dad gave me the deposit to buy my first home. And what it really did is help me get into the market sooner. And then what it did, it helped me to buy the next property because I had a property to pull a bit of equity out. So a lot of people these days do get help from mum and dad. And I think it's a good thing. At the end of the day, a lot of people say that they want to be able to do things on their own without the help of mum and dad. And it's great. And I get it. It's a good thing to do things on your own, but your parents are here to help you out to get ahead in life.
And realistically, how much do you think the parents should help their kids with in terms of the deposit size?
Look, that all boils down to everyone's own personal situations, whatever the parents are comfortable with at the end of the day. But I only feel like the parents should be in a comfortable enough position where any money that they do give won't really affect their position and they go into a hardship.
There are banks out there offering the 5% deposit scheme. How would Bank of Mum and Dad with using the 5% scheme altogether?
There are a couple of banks out there that will accept deposit from mum and dad as what the banks call genuine savings. So that if, say, example, if you wanted to buy a $600,000 home, mum and dad gave you about 30 grand deposit, that would be the 5% deposit, and you potentially could go off and buy your home today instead of saving up the 30 grand yourself.
And with the market at the moment, do you think it is a good time for first home buyers to go in?
Definitely. I've had a lot of clients where they've been complaining about every single property. Well, before the budget, every property that they went to go have a look or were interested in, they were literally outbidded by an investor or sold within 1 or 2 days. Now, a lot of them are coming back and saying that agents are begging them to put in an offer. So I feel like at the moment, it's really a buyer's market versus a vendor's market.